Hello everyone, this is Ian Lamont, founder of In 30 Minutes Guides and publisher of Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes. Today I'm going to be talking about how to convert files in Microsoft Word to PDF format. So here is the file that we have. It's actually a manuscript for one of our other books, linked in 30 Minutes. You can see it's a big giant Word document, and I want to convert this to a PDF. Here's how. Go to the File icon at the top of the screen. This will not display a ribbon in Word, but rather it will show you a whole bunch of different options for changing documents. Click on the Save As, and you'll be presented with this. This is, by the way, this is Microsoft Word 2016 in Windows. Mac is a slightly different, but you can do the same thing using a very similar dialog. At the top of the screen, it will show a drop-down menu, and there are a bunch of different options. One of them is PDF. You might have to search around for it because it's a long list, but that's the one you want. And then click Save. Now this is a big document, so it's going to take a while to do it, but I think it just created the PDF. Let's go see if we can find it. Actually, let's see where we put it. Okay. Okay, here's the PDF that I just created. And you can see it looks just like the original, and you can do PDF things with the PDF, but that's how you do it. For more information on how to get the most out of Microsoft Word, check out the book Microsoft Word in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com, and also check out our videos on our YouTube channel or subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.